Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 20th through December 2nd. For November 20th to 24, the flow remains somewhat amplified. This is GFS. It's fairly amplified. We have this ridge building up here across western North America, and we have a fairly deep trough with upper low here over Hudson Bay that sinks south into the eastern U.S. But as you go through the period, we're going to go here, see it kind of like flattens some. This is GFS. This is the GFS ensembles, European deterministics, European ensembles. And then we have the NAEFS, which is more of a flatter flow, but overall the height anomalies remain the same. The period will be rather tranquil for the start of the period due to the domination of a northwest flow, which is kind of configuration like this. We have a northwest flow from out of Canada into the U.S. And the west coast will have rain and high elevation snow by Wednesday. The heaviest precipitation is forecast around Northern California and Oregon. And the snow levels will fall through the period with several feet of snow likely in the highest elevations. For Thanksgiving, it'll be cold in the northeast with temperatures near 20 degrees below normal. It will be milder in the plains with temperatures reaching the 50s in spots. And rain will increase along the Gulf Coast. Now, we're going to look at the period now for November 23rd to 27th, and we're at the 24th. And the pattern still flattens somewhat, but we still have our same general height anomaly fields. We have a trough here, trough over eastern North America. We have strong positive height anomalies here, ridge in between. So overall, things are in good agreement. So we're going to look at the temperature forecast for this period. This is what the best I can come to, because if you look at the temperature forecast for this period, this would be the 23rd, see? It keeps it cold generally along the east, and with above normal temperatures in the west. So overall, this is what I'm forecasting. I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for portion of the west, with anomalies about 6 degrees above normal, and then the remainder of the nation from the plains into the east forecast anomalies 6 to 12 degrees below normal. For precipitation, this is a big change from yesterday. Nearly much of the nation will experience above normal precipitation, especially California, which greatly needs it, and the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. Now look at the period for November 28th through December 2nd. Now overall, the pattern now comes close in agreement to yesterday's European ensembles run. Generally expecting below normal heights across much of the nation. Strong positive height anomalies across the high latitudes. Now we're going to go through this period. This is GFS. We don't see much of a change. And then we look at ensembles. See, they're all showing the same thing, although the pattern, the flow is usually flat. And this will bring Pacific moisture into the nation. That's why you're seeing above normal precipitation for much of the nation. This is European ensembles, very strong positive height anomalies across the high latitudes. And then even the NAEFS has below normal heights across much of the nation. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for much of the nation with anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal. And we have above normal temperatures for the west coast with anomalies of 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, expecting above normal precipitation again for much of the nation. Again, except for the northern Rockies and the northwest, probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for November 20th through December 2nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.